Hi everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit that subscribe button. It just helps support our channel, make it go a long, long way. And if you'd like to comment below what new activities or something that you'd like to see here on this channel for preschoolers or toddlers, please drop it down below. Or a fun math question that you may be struggling with or just need help with. I'd be more than happy to give a tutorial on that as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity is working with the letter M, and the project we are going to be doing is M is for mud. So this is a fun project you can do outdoors with your children, especially if it's a little bit getting cooling off right now and the weather is nice, or you can even bring it indoors if you want to do that. So there's definitely different options. I think outside is going to be more fun. So what the materials that we will be needing are a blank piece of paper, marker, paintbrush, your mud that you'll be creating or making it outside, and water to make the mud with the dirt that you have wherever you want to go.
Making your big bubble M, you can make it as big or small as you like it, just something for your toddler to trace with the mud.
Now that we have all the stuff that we need, we have our base that we're going to be able to have them hand paint with the mud to make the letter M. We're also going to be talking about the letter M, working with the alphabet. I do have a bunch of other videos in my channel that you may go ahead and take a look for other letters of the alphabet and fun activities that you can do with them. It's always great to do hands-on with your toddlers. It gets them involved, it gets them excited, and in some cases, at least with my toddler, they love to do hands-on activities and it seems to grasp a lot better. I am going to do mud in-house, so I grabbed some dirt from outside. When my toddler comes out, we're going to mix the water, and then you can either mix it with a paintbrush or stirring stick, whatever you want to do. And then we'll go from there and we'll see how it pans out. All right, here's a little clip with my toddler. Enjoy.
What are we making?
We are going to work with the letter. What letter is this?
M.
M.
You get a paintbrush, you put it in just like that, and you grab water. What we do with the water?
So that's what I was going to tell you next. So M is for mud. Can you say mud?
Mud.
And do you know when we play with mud outside? When it's raining or the ground gets wet and it creates mud and we get all dirty?
Mama.
We're going to trace the M with some mud today.
Mama.
Yeah.
Some boss doesn't like dry sand.
Yeah.
Yeah, go get some mud and you will do turtle. And turtle doesn't work and I will try to do turtle.
That's right. But that's okay. We'll try again. We got to just put more water in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and then you help me, okay? So I'm going to put in a little bit of water in our dirt. You see that? You want to add some more water in there?
Yeah.
Stop. Good. Okay, put that aside.
Okay, mud.
Yeah, are we making mud?
I want to mix
Here,
it.
mix it on with this side, with the brush side. Good job. Okay, so now that's on your paintbrush, you got two choices. So you could either put your hand in and you can trace it with your hands like this, or you can use your paintbrush and we can trace the letter M with the paintbrush. What do you want to do?
Paint it.
Paint it? Okay, so first you gotta trace the M and then you can paint it, okay?
Okay.
So start at the bottom right here and go all the way up here. Good job!
Yeah.
So what letter do we just trace?
Mama, and the other side is W.
If we flip it upside down, it's W, huh?
And the other side is M.
M. And we're playing with?
A brown surface in there.
Is?
Mud.
Mud. Good job. You may color it in.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Done.
All right, so then we're going to put this aside. What letter do we have here?
M.
M. And M is for mud.